Hey there. Struggling with Cash App showing you that pesky try again later message? You're not alone. This common issue can be frustrating when you're trying to manage your finances on the go. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix Cash App if it says try again later using simple steps that anyone can follow to get back to business in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. Both Wi-Fi and mobile data can sometimes become unreliable. To test this, try opening another app or a web browser to see if it loads content quickly. If you're encountering issues, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or toggle your mobile data. Simply switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data can often resolve connectivity problems. Once your internet is stable, try opening Cash App again. Step 2. Update the Cash App. Outdated apps can lead to bugs and glitches. Ensure that your Cash App is updated to the latest version. Head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Cash App and hit the Update button if available. Regular updates not only improve app performance, but also fix bugs. Open the app after updating to see if the issue persists. Step 3. Clear cache. Sometimes clearing the app cache can resolve problems. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Cash App, Storage, Clear Cache. For iPhones, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app, as iOS doesn't offer a direct cache clear option. By doing so, it removes temporary files that might be causing the error, allowing a fresh start for the app. Step 4. Ensure account security. Cash App can lock you out if there are security concerns with your account, such as suspicious transactions. Ensure your account details are up to date and secure. Check for any emails or notifications from Cash App regarding account issues. If necessary, update your password and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Addressing security concerns can help lift any restrictions on your account. Step 5. Verify your identity. If you haven't already, verifying your identity within the app can unlock additional features and resolve technical issues. Open Cash App, tap on the profile icon, and look for the option to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Verification typically involves confirming your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once verified, many functionality issues should disappear. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If all else fails, it's time to reach out to Cash App support. Open the app, navigate to the profile icon, and choose Support. Describe the issue you're facing with as much detail as possible. The more information you provide, the quicker they can assist. Customer support can offer solutions specific to your situation and help get your account back in working order. There you have it. Several practical steps on how to fix Cash App if it says try again later. Whether it's checking your internet connection, clearing cache, or getting in touch with support, these tips will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue efficiently. Remember, staying calm and methodical will help you navigate these hiccups with ease. With these steps, you'll be ready to send and receive money again without any more nasty interruptions. Good luck and happy transacting.